Hey kids, Microscope just launched its Stay Home Science Fair. I'm going to be one of the judges along with some really big minds. We want you guys to send us a 1 to 5 minute video of you doing your best sciencing or engineering. Every night I have to go out and get the chickens to come in and my voice is a little bit sore, so I'm going to engineer something to help me solve that. What you need is a poker or a nail, a cup, a paper clip, some scissors, a string, a wet paper towel, and if you're super cool, get your safety glasses on. Poke a hole. And now hopefully I won't have to use my voice to call the chickens. Send your video to Microscope Stay Home Science Fair right now!